Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create an invisible folder on your desktop where you can store your private files, and no one will notice it. First, search for character map. Scroll down until you find the empty character and copy it. Next, create a new folder on your desktop. Right-click on it, choose Rename, and paste the empty character. Now, open your browser and search for Invisible Icon by Solitary J. You'll find the download link in the description. Download the invisible icon, then go back to your folder. Right-click, Properties, Customize. Click Change Icon, then Browse. Select the invisible icon, click OK, then Apply. And that's it. You've created a completely invisible folder on your desktop. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.